extremely hot. If y'all should see me right now, you would see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sweating and I don't have any shirt on, so you must know. You know the energy go, guys. It's a blessed day if you're up and active in the countryside. I invite you all along for watch this here video. Yeah man, I put together a few clips for you all. Right now I'm currently in Trinity, St Thomas. Yeah man, at the container. Come to grab a few stuff. Me, Biggs and Brian. Well, me and Biggs, my bad. Brian stopped by the house. Yeah man, but you know where something go? Come my yard man. I trust that you all like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, you know where something go. This is the as is. No preservative, no additive. There is something that I want to share with you all though. Yeah man, and you know me already, always I try to preach positiveness. Yeah man, on and off